But first, I want to talk about our 1 year anniversary with Save Club. So, as I got this slide pulled up right here, um, what 1 year ago we opened up the company, and the first members started rolling in. We actually had quite a large percentage of people see the value of being a VIP member, where you've got a home-based business, all the tools, everything that you need, and you get to run it for a whole year for $300. I mean, what an incredible value that is in the home-based business space, to operate a business that could pay you unlimited levels of income and do it for $300 a year. Well, those $300 annual renewals are coming up. And so you'll see the emails coming out and the announcements here. But if you are a VIP member and your renewal's coming up, you'll have to the end of the month to do your renewal and keep your spot in the matrix and keep your business alive and active. Again, $300 for the whole year. If not, you'll be put down to the monthly membership of $20. And then if you want to continue your business, you can do the affiliate renewal for $60. The great part is all of this is commissioned. So the affiliate member fee, the memberships, obviously, all of this is commissioned. So as people in your team renew, if you're not a VIP, you probably should become a VIP, because as those VIP bonuses come rolling up, you'll want to capture them. But just a little housekeeping here, that our 1 year anniversary is upon us, and don't forget to renew your membership. Now with Save Club, guys, in this next year, as we start doing more expansion, we're going to be bringing on more and more restaurants. The Cashback app, since we started, has put on an additional 5,000 restaurants. I mean, in certain areas now, in the bigger markets, like the New York market for the app is phenomenal. The market for our My Deals area in certain areas is like over 5,000 location, 5,000 restaurants in certain cities. It's just phenomenal. Like the one we were looking at there. Oh, wait, I'm on a look right here. I was talking to Kelly there, and he used to live in Dana Point, and I said, well, let's take a look at what type of deals, dining deals, are out in that area, and just so many great deals in just this one area. The zip code, look right here, 5,765 places in deals right there in Southern California, in that area, and everything from major chains to wineries. This winery deal looks pretty cool. Free wine tasting, great. Buy one get one free wine tasting. What a great date night that would be. So with Save Club, we've got every deal from the traveling, the theme parks. One of the only places in the world where you can actually get deals at Disney and Universal Studios and these major theme parks is right here through Save Club. And it's that time of year where people are booking, making their trips, making their family vacations to theme parks. One area you don't want to discount is insurance. Insurance rates have been going up. It's actually been one of the years where insurance rates have gone up above normal. And with your Save Club membership, know that right here we've got one of the most competitive places to shop for insurance. So right here, be able to shop for your home and auto insurance. And this is incredible savings. We've had people report savings in their insurance of hundreds of dollars. Even just one setup, one deal here through Save Club could pay for your membership for the entire year. Here's a new section 2 with the grocery coupons, and we'll just keep adding more and more into what is available here inside of the Save Club back office. And really with Save Club, what you're looking at, guys, is an always evolving business opportunity. When you're part of the Save Club business opportunity, you now have access to over 30 websites that you can use to promote your business. These great video-driven presentations, with our latest videos coming here with these super slick looking landing pages, video-driven setups here. This is all part of what you get inside of your Save Club business, and it's covered in that affiliate fee. And with your $60 affiliate fee annually, it gives you the ability to get paid every single Friday. And it's exciting that we're going to be coming up to 52 weeks in a row of paydays at Save Club. And like I said, we're just getting started. That's one thing that we're not going to miss is paydays. So for those of you that are looking for a way to be earning extra income and getting the very most you can out of your dollars with savings, we've got the membership and the business opportunity here. And entering this next year, it's more exciting than ever. Our next round of digital products that we've been working on diligently is set up to help business owners and entrepreneurs. One thing that we've noticed that the world can't help but notice is that millions of people have already been starting to be disrupted globally. The rise of AI is caused two major things to happen. There's been massive layoffs, and these are different types of layoffs than we've ever seen before in history. These are people with high-paying jobs, all the way from lawyers to executives to customer service agents. Jobs from $60,000 to $300,000 a year. There's been a major disruption, and these are smart people, college-educated people. And right now, it's the highest it's ever been that graduating college students are not finding work, and it's because the employers look at it this way: the easiest employee to lay off is the one that you never hire. And so we're seeing these large companies, as they're making massive layoffs, tens of thousands of people with high-paying jobs being laid off, that at the same time they're investing tens of millions or hundreds of millions of dollars into AI data centers and AI solutions to replace those people's jobs. So we are entering the beginning of a tidal wave of people that are going to be looking for a way to earn extra income or to create a career shift. And that's what these next rounds of tools at Save Club are. We've got a business opportunity with something that never goes out of style, which is value and savings. Now we're going to have tools to help every level of business owner, from a brand new startup, work at home entrepreneur, to a seasoned entrepreneur, to executives at larger companies, to your restaurants and local businesses, being able to help businesses advertise with Save Club and with the Save Club directory. So a lot of advancements here. We're positioning to be ahead of this. I hate to call it a trend, but this reality of people being displaced from their careers and having to reinvent themselves. And with the training and the tools that we have here, we'd love to be a harbor for people that are looking to create a way to work from home. So, with that, guys, to lock in your positions for the second year at Save Club, let me show you how to do your renewals. How that works. Just give me 1 second to log into an account so I can show you how that works. Okay. All right. Let me share my screen again. So for anybody that was a VIP, your positions are safe. As long as your card is there, you'll be renewed at the monthly membership, but you'll have to upgrade your affiliate fee if you want to continue to have the tools and to get paid. So inside your back office, underneath my membership, you'll see that there's a renewal option for VIPs. There is a renewal or an add-on if you want to do 12 months of a membership. That's without the affiliate fee. There's an opportunity to switch to the monthly, which locks in and keeps your position inside the matrix. And then here's the upgrade for the not upgrade, but just the renewal for the affiliate fee. So, if you just you're going to renew your VIP membership, you click there, here's your information, and you can just update your card or whatever and do your renewal. So just letting everybody know that is something that's coming up at the 1 year mark here at Save Club. So I'm going to stop sharing my screen and I'm going to open this up and take a few questions. If you guys want to, if you got something here to say, James, I'm going to get with you after the call here. But we're 1 year into this, and yeah, I just I love to hear from our Save Club family and all the people that have been with us for the year and what we've got in the future here. There you go. Hey, Dina, can you unmute? Billy, you can unmute too.
Hi, this is Dinah. So to renew, if you go to the monthly, do you not be a VIP anymore?
Correct. Yeah. So if you go to the monthly, you're still qualified to earn checks. You get paid every week. There's a bonus called the VIP bonus, and that's when other VIPs in your group upgrade. There is additional money that goes up, and it's only paid to people that are VIPs. So yeah, you'll still have your active position in the matrix if you downgrade to the monthly, and know that uh, when you or anyone in your team renews their affiliate fee, that is full fast start bonuses are paid on that again. Go ahead, Billy.
Yeah, I just want to say, man, it's great to see y'all again and be a part of Save Club. And I didn't know if you knew this or not, Charlie. I bet you do. You should know everything. But there's a way to get a 6 month payment.
Yes.
You can pay for 6 months, and I didn't. I just saw that and used it on one of my other deals. Yeah.
Yeah.
It's for 6 months. It's 119 or something like that.
Yeah. We set that up, Billy, because there was people in different parts of the world that wanted to join Save Club using cryptocurrency, and they didn't. The full year was just a little bit out of their reach because they're the different economies and those parts, but it fit their model. So it actually came from an affiliate requesting a 6 month enrollment option, and so we put that in there for them. So yeah.
And any other information on the cashback portal?
Yes, Billy. So inside of our Magic Suite launch, as we're bringing on, we have the Save Club Marketplace, and this solves our problem. So now we're able to commission products way more than cashbacks. Our cashback was ranging from like 5% to 25%. Mainly 5, 6, 7, 8% on the cashback. Now that with the type of relationships that we're getting, where we're getting 40% discounts, 50% discounts, 70% discounts, it's not a little bit of cash back. We're able to give the customers rewards so that they can buy any products in the marketplace. And it's not little amounts of cash back. We're talking huge chunks paid back in commissions. So, a big evolution here, and we're just going to keep stacking Save Club because there's inventors of products like Kelly, like Sean, like Dr. Logan, where we're finding these phenomenal products out there, and because of the deals that we're able to set up, we're not talking about getting these smaller percentages of cash back, we're looking at massive discounts on these products, and now we'll be able to throw those into the compensation plan.
Yeah, I was getting my brother. He's putting a new roof, a metal roof, on his house, and he was getting the money or getting the roof from Lowe's.
Yeah.
So I went into that portal that had all the different companies in it, and I saved him over $200-300.
Yeah, that was a phenomenal thing. There was, especially the cashback pieces. Additionally, with appliances and whatnot, there, on those big purchases, you can save, quite a bit of money. So, hey, Stephen, I got your email out there too, and I'm looking into that one as well. It baffled me. I've had just a crazy busy day, but I've got it there cataloged. So, want to make sure we catch that out. Hey guys, I love what we've created here as a community inside Save Club over this last year, and really have a lot of gratitude and appreciation for the path that we're on, and for all the people that have continued to work and grow and earn with us. And just like a baby's first steps, we're right here at year one, and it is exciting. I feel very very blessed that we're in business, established and set up right as millions of people are going to be let go, laid off, and in a position where they're going to need a transition. And it having a real opportunity for people to plug in, and real products, for people to jive into, in a place where they can build residual income, is what we have here. And I want to be that lighthouse for people that are looking for a real opportunity, and a home for people that want to build a solid residual income. Even if it's offsetting a single bill or totally changing your financial trajectory, the opportunity here can suffice. And looking back at the year, having six-figure earners inside of the company, having so many people be able to offset monthly bills and have solid residual income, it's been a good start. But I'll tell you, I'm not anywhere near satisfied with what I know this company can do, what I know what this compensation plan can do, and with the idea of our product being money, and the diversity of what we can bring to the table. And the case in point, as I find entrepreneurs with phenomenal products, saying, "Hey, we'd like to launch this through Save Club, and by the way, we're going to give you guys the best discount, the lowest possible price. Anyone's buying it on the internet." It's like, okay, great. That's let's keep stacking it up, making the membership more and more valuable. So, guys, if you're here for the first time, lock in your spots. If your renewals are coming up, hop into the back office, get renewed. Let's ramp up for another huge year at Save Club. This first year, we attracted around 13,000 affiliates into the program. I feel we're going to have single weeks where we'll eclipse that. And the type of earning inside of this organization, the type of earning from this compensation plan with the matching bonuses, that will be a glorious day. And I look forward to every Friday coming out and sending out commissions. So with that, everybody, thank you for staying on. Thanks for taking the extended time today to hear from Kelly. We'll have a full interview with Kelly coming up, and I'll make sure that y'all get an email when that posts to the YouTube. So have a wonderful day, and happy anniversary.